Welcome to Rayan and Sai Code. I'm Ryan.
And I'm Sai.
In this multi-video tutorial, you will learn how to make a great multi-purpose web page.
This website is great for your personal portfolio, an advertisement, and a business website.
This website includes a nav bar, a parallax effect, a video from YouTube, a photo gallery, and a functioning Contact Us button. You can find a link to all of the code in the description below.
Without further ado, let's get started. First, we need to create two files.
I'm naming my files main.html and style.css. Next, I'm going to add the boilerplate code to my HTML file. This code includes a doc type, an HTML tag, a head tag with a few common meta tags, and a CSS file link. At the bottom of the head tag, we will also add a body.
That's it for this video. In the next video, we're going to add the nav bar.